Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am at my new home. Currently I'm here in my room trying to get all of this stuff organized, so I just went to pick up my luggage and the rest of my stuff, so that's why my room is currently a mess. I really have a lot of stuff and very little room to storage it. I have this closet, but honestly, like, it's gonna fill up pretty quickly. I need to be an expert organizer and then use every bit of space that I can. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna try to organize all this stuff, put it away. I did buy this yesterday, so I'm gonna have to probably get a few more storage type things for all the stuff that I have. So I do have room underneath my bed, so I'm gonna try to use that, and then I might just get like some type of corner situation for here or for there. But yeah, I'm just gonna have to try my best to make everything fit. So yeah, enjoy this time lapse of me organizing my new room. Right now I have a few things to do, so I accidentally bought what is it called, baking soda instead of salt, and I'm gonna go return that. And also I'm gonna go see if I can find some more organizers for my room. If not, I can just do that another day, but there is like a dollar store close by, so I'm gonna see if they have any new inventory. I was there last week, but I need something to put like my rice in and my sugar, and like I technically don't need to put it in something nice, but I don't know, I kind of want to. So then I still need like a bin to fit under my bed for my swimsuits and my fuzzy socks, because I just have them over there right now, and that is not where I want them to be. And other than that, I do need another table to add to this section where the mirror is, and I will need a lamp, because in the dark, or like whenever I turn the lights off, it's just like pitch black. So I do need some kind of lamp. If not, I might get some twinkly lights. That might be better, but I'll just have to see. So right now I'm just gonna get ready and go out to the store and do those few things. That's all I think I have going on right now. That's all I can remember, at least. So yeah, that's about it. Hi everyone, so I got back from the store and I was able to find a few things. I got this really cute stool. So I'm gonna do like a vanity type of situation here. So in this mirror, I'm gonna add bulbs, and then I need a small table here. So I got this little stool to do my makeup, because right now I'm doing it on my bed, and I don't like to do it on my bed because I have a white comforter. I'm also trying to not be too loud because my roommates, I think, are sleeping right now. So yeah, and then I got the organizers for the salt and the rice. I'll film those and put them in the video. And what else did I get today? That might be it. I still have to find the organizers and stuff, but yeah, well, I'm gonna actually go ahead and sign off here. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will be going tomorrow to my appointment for my TIE. If you don't know what that is, it's basically like an extension of a visa, so I can permission basically to live here and stuff in Spain. So I'll be making a video walking through that because it's kind of a lot. So I have all my paperwork and stuff all over the bed. I have to get it organized and ready for tomorrow. So yeah, but like I said, I'm gonna sign off here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and comment anything you want to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.